ya wada for brason say online portal no nsema hodwe wo so ene de obon krata hodwe ne mu nsema hodwe mu ewo mu no ye gebre na ye bobo ni nyina so ma e wo bedwam so kwasinsia aye krado incoming bibia ye kama nche be kwa asante mampon na yakoma nkrofo no power to the people na bibia ye kama kwasi kwaba
mejoso
yampombo ko de o nyame kusishira ye asante mampombo ko
oh yes be ko 26 December
ye bronya no boxing day
leaves concert no baso nyame admo 26 December
nyabotere
okay
ampofo je ya ye nimu ne papa
yes
wanya ne baby kro but order so tiase
yes
okay his legacy
leaves
concert 26
yes I know make actually efia mankwase papa nada omane mu bi etime to nyom twere nyom ma nyom tofo eti he continues to live
yes
though he's physically no more eti nyame admo 26 December ne bana na sai ampofo je ene anyom tofo akukudan ba asante mampon uza meka to say first pa ye ka bronya 26 pa na ya
asante mampon bronya say
because wa kwasi abofaji ene ne ye revive no ne ye extra no eti I wish say ena Kubawood actors no from head to toe
omunyina be ginam
Kubawood actors from head to toe
na say we na nyanyom nto nko a ye Ghana cine industry no so ebefa so na sa pagya no
ye pekwan so be yes revive ye movie industry
no
it is 26 December wa wo kumase kuna aguna jamase mampon benim 19 painting wase nsuta kwaman ye twem de ko adwira ye twem de ko amanten kofiase ni nkro na keka ho ni nyina no 26 December ye nyina ye nhya wasante mampon
in fact over central region kora kwanya da
me say brana me say wo ba be ho
se bronya ye asante mampon se the Easter ye kwawu no bronya ye asante mampon
26 December ye asante mampon ya sa revive ni bi
o mi gina
26 December ye kwen mechira manfo sene akikan we ye se me say anyomtofo a eba no uyina na samfo je esu a anyomtofo esaka ho a eba no any actors ni actresses a ewo Kumawood yo mo eba no Kumawood na ye dia ni ye pe kwa bisu ni asa revive na nya ne bi ajeme yakono ye nyina ye nhia
na se bibia ebe gina mu kama nti yehwe online portal no so kane mampanyini ho kani mama test se nisika se twato no ho nhyehyɛ no gusuwa ya koso I know say later in the day say de be ko bia no ye de munchemu ebe som yahwefo live ebe ba mo say de omba ya amamre no nhyehyɛ ye be ko bia no yes ase nra de okoye online portal mo say pictures bra de Ghana flag ya kata adaka no ni we nyina no ene wo bie mu say ya wo be hu ho 2024 including budget arrived in quite luxury na say eno no my Ghana photo samfo ne na be de akire ne na pamfo no mo ye adwuma hwesa de nra okopie mo brahye bedwafie e de akọ ho masika de abo man ho bra fi mu de ehwe ni mu sa fi de ni mu no ye de bebo man ho bra no enu enchemu so e wa ha arrival Theresa Kofor's mortal remains as a mfonyin se na meka no pictures na wa ha mampanyi da John Ajekum Kofor ho kani mama Theresa Kofor ni sika se atwato no e ho hyehyeye no e wa ha say 2024 budget empty insensitive dom kuma ye o mrahye bedwafie so na e ka say budget no ebeto odwa no ayesa ankure hunu no dede nku a ofiti ya so ne ho so waba enso nyansa bi anim saa na omo kanyam na meka ho omo na e ka say empty and insensitive ensa so nwe ne Ghana fo ho ahokyere Ghana fo wo mu no budget no ankyere mu saa ye
for cheme so be ko
but me nyina hands okay
you see there be ameka say ye nsentwerefo ejumedi awdo ayedi bi ese ye be mamamfo atene yekoso yebe mamamfo ani age ni akyerɛkyerɛ nkrofo niema bia entiase anya adwuma papa
to inform, to educate and to entertain.
Yes. Ya say minority no asa ya be ye normal e be ye norm say ade bi aban de beba bia o say pekwan bi so na
rubbish no. Yes.
And it's so unfortunate. I know say one kasa mu kura sanitary pad otu wana mombe.
Yes.
Afim ena NDC MP for Medina constituency Francis Xavier so lawyer ejina marshal ye fiem ne nkrata to wo se eto ye da sanitary pad so no aban free ho no
yes
yenya Adom kuma marshal ya fodo do tai sansem
ni ye jifa gomachi ma no dodo na
se aban enyin free ho 2024 budget die ne wom aban se eto ye a eda sanitary pad
so locally manufactured
yes
de ye no wo mayi mu
ye credit from no ne eba no ye be hwan
so
omonso de
e na ne ma so ye credit free obi man so eba de be ye pad wa ha ne so no ye yituo ni bi afiri so
at least say ugina we so na se wa call on government say on to anamo we
na watu
anamo na we dey catch them say mo na o say tu na wo call for
insensitive me dey me ka say nra nkomo bebrebe e call so nyina on say we see we as obi an de hia
oh yes
de hia me ni de waboso yi e wi ase abrabo aye bo no obi a ni de hia no me de ehia me ene sa sanitary pad ne de no because me hwe me birthday sika me say no it was over 10,000 I'm the top pada me di kokko ekochicheye nti se nei se su hwan na se bi kura ba ko ba 10 Ghana se me to akochimpo a na no de no enka emenye me yusu 10 no kura na menya bro de na no me de etoye no
in fact but manyo sem ne to de bia yes no kure ye wo or how challenge wo
yes
aban mu
se ne baby anyo
no kure panso o me say there are places for Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia led NPP government me da biam se me classify ho kire in two groups ho kire say sikenu wade beto ne me pese yekoto
thank you
2 yekutesika so yenya ne
manto okay
but nyame adomadua even from COVID to now Bibi a Ghana for ye pese ye ton at least ye wo no cross ne mabo ayede but at least ye wo man available se me ko pata ru ya to me ko emenya bia to no cross ne bo kosoro de bia me kasa ne bo na kosoro we betimi control but se bi ni hold in control heading because ne bo was first na inflation say 54% and ye tia ba be do 35% so controlling prices na e kosoro ne de e wo yensem but one na eye so antimi anye ne antimi ankra bi ama obeyede
yes say yemfa no say ebi wo ho na yenya kakra de twitwa ye ho no no ne credit no okay but we know that be mam ne nhwade me pese me home because is it the whole budget in a whole
no, you see adwa every aspect of it say a sanitary pad say impose new taxes kwa no dey a part of the budget. So if you describe the entire budget as insensitive and empty, when your request
has been granted, so they are not being fair.
You are not being fair. E pass be na Ghana fo nya gidie ni ahotoso o mu say asema o ka kire me no e no kore because from up nyomu kan nyina say e ya manyo sem na mpesa boye.
But me busan say unyi ni say akoye MPP NDC ade because when NDC was in power menkai say ya budget anase mampanyini kura koma state of the nation's address am opposition abeka say we the state of the nation dey na papa omu wi abon say for so press conference here the real or the proper state of the nation's address don't you think it's about time ye nyina ye kan ho bom hu say da bi chale ade ni koyi ayemfa credit mama yoku no ade ni nkoyi ayenka ho ase base ko base de bia no ekoyi kura wo de wo si wo position ti sabi mpredua sanyansa ni mu a me sanitary part taxes me gina aka on countless occasions say omo hwedo omo nyito bi comment ase say Ghana 8 commission and ase adwumaku ehwe 8 ho nsem so eduru mebi omo tibi de condom etim be si afia mankwa so no wacheche sex is a choice send kwasi ensia ene anoto wa baba ya adwese sebi ebedi mpamu nkita wudie no ya na yesi ginaye si ebetwempra na yedi mpamu nkita wudie entia no no uche ono condom free but me bu mensa ye ka me ma brabo ho enya me pe eno e wasa ya asotwe ma me se me ye oba na ade ntia wasa ye taxi amoase a me di siesie me ho ade egumi a me kwa menya kra nkengume enso e ka ma brabo ho na obi ono na ni abrese sebi me kofo ba na de ye se me mu abepie gu oba ni mo se won mo ne ho banti me cha ne condom na muntimi ncha ye pad
now banya tie saa de we no atu ho anamo wa 24 mu a then we still describe it as insensitive
and empty
enye fair you see me can say me and criticize budget no their aspect but we see ne wa call for eyemu na mo call you
granted
I say aban enyi tuo na eda sanitary pad so no two adwa dialysis won consumables ade e keke
yes
aban nya ho adwuma Was it not led by a Kwabnaminta Kando?
Yes.
Colonel government say ye touch said that consumables are ye dialysis.
Dialysis, yes.
Abanya Waduma. It's Abanya Waduma Sabaka catch and say budget near empty and insensitive. You might have challenge with aspect of the budget.
Yes.
Deal with that.
Let's say BBN to me for year
from my buying
credit no they should be given.
And your money in idea. Me say na do dan kwa kufu Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia led the MPP government. They have their own challenges.
Yes.
But there are some pluses we can at least credit them.
Yeah, they may want to be in free or more. Tell you who mine. Until yeah, be koye, be koye. But then, kwesi, yeah, Juma Kura, you woman. Would the infant say newsroom department, keke. And yes, she be an head of newsroom and current affairs. And the managers be ya, a bit favor ya, you won't newsroom when you na. You get it. Intisana memotie.
The fact say I'm favor neno. Doesn't mean say I'm favor unia.
Thank you.
And now say be money on sanitary pad. Ebim so many beje e be ho. Ebim so raba ho be bon. So you don't lump it together. Now when describe it say insensitive and empty. And yet to be honest, minority
should come again.
Fair.
Yes.
Unfair. And yet to me talk cause in your mind say because MPP wa ba mtino. Ni odi bebe bia any so say.
But ye can say so near so ye ni sa ban ne dane a. Ye de ni so be MPP fu achi.
Opposition.
Thank you.
And this be bia so
MPP bekas nya papa.
Ghana to me talk cause nyesa.
Ye be gina ha ne ya kan sa.
Be a stop point.
Thank you. Yentumi nyesa equalization. 2 Jubilee House soldiers, immigration officers remanded for alleged robbery. Alleged robbery.
Some call chin etusi ko omo mtuto koko ebi.
Ay, koko akrache for no.
Say em so be dem omo hin say papa no 100,000 at them.
Enti ko mo koji.
Am ko na papa no so ni 100,000 bia.
No, say
sika won ho no. In fact, you good. And the value at 29,000 Ghana cedis. So betimi am 10,000.
Okay.
Na ko fon sem kwase so na ka chen good way. Enom koji no mo ko no. And papa ni bo mo den free place for. The police for to pampim wo kwan na fortunate. Police for na yade. Yes. Omo yade pa anti yenkon krata no. Ghanaian Times the Bokata and so any presentation of 2024 budget. Government to spend 226.7 billion Ghana cedis next year to maintain macroeconomic stability, create jobs. 2024 budget business to benefit from tax 26.7 billion Ghana cedis. Yes.
Okay.
By revenue, see around 170 billion Ghana cedis.
Okay. And it's can I IMF and say
3 billion.
$3 billion. Okay, I know your dollars. Okay. Okay.
Communities affected by Kosovo Downs Plateaus benefit from 220 million Ghana cedis government relief support. Ghanaian Times Daily Graphic. 2024 budget tax cuts outlined to spur growth. Okay. Government allocates 220 million Ghana cedis for dams pillage victims. Budget statement empty. Minority comes to the picture. Dr. Kesel Ato Forsen. Daily Graphic and so no. The Daily Statesman. We are back on track. Government presents including budget for stability and growth. Harmonized prospectus for SHS freshers in all schools. Dr. Zakaria elected committee chair of AUC's Interfaith Dialogue Forum 2023. Dr. Addison, ethics in banking sector must be strengthened. The Daily Statesman. Daily Guide and so any major facelift for Tema Port. 220 million Ghana cedis allocated for Kosovo Dams pillage victims. Economy to hit 1 trillion Ghana cedis of Atta. Government approves 23% base pay increment for workers. Stop religious politics. Daily Guide. The Business Analyst. Government announces aid reliefs in 2024 budget, including removal of taxes on locally produced sanitary pads. Economic growth has been resilient. We have kept the corner turned. Ofori Atta. The Business Analyst. And so, Naja.
Joe. Abusiane say the bonkra tampense mu your online portal so semono ye di se na ya wada enti kai say agokansie beba ahose petria line na afa ya hwe komotwetwe bi wo hono mo no na ye ye afri hono ama sanso na asem yi edika hwana beka kwasinsia nko ana wo beka na afa ya forum a enti bedwam so ni kan ho kopem se no nkro bebo apemu na